Preparing your safety kit. Developing an evacuation plan. And signing up for public safety power shutoff notifications are 3 things that you will want to do before wildfire season begins. Safety kits are your first line of defense and should contain essential items: face mask, hand sanitizer, and first aid kit. Personal hygiene items such as toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and toilet paper. Extra clothes, prescription medications, and eyeglasses. Battery-operated or solar cell phone charger and power inverter. Duct tape, flashlight with extra batteries, or a solar light bulb. Battery-operated solar or crank portable radio. Emergency purified drinking water or fillable water bag. When creating an emergency evacuation plan, be sure to identify 2 places for your family to meet: a place immediately outside your home and a location away from your neighborhood in case you have to go separate ways to quickly flee your house. Another good idea is to designate a point of contact outside the area, someone that you and your family can call in case you get separated. And don't forget to develop a plan for your pets and livestock. Evacuation shelters may not always allow animals. Signing up for public safety power shutoff notifications is a simple process and can be done by visiting sdge.com/notifications. If you're an account holder, it's important to make sure that your My Account contact information is up to date. If you don't have an account or you would like to receive PSPS notifications about a location other than your own, you can sign up for alerts by entering a desired zip code. These steps will allow you to receive voice, text, and email notifications before and during a public safety power shutoff. For more information about preparing for an emergency, visit sdge.com/safety.